folks, listen up! This is huge! We're talking about Phantom, the greatest crypto wallet! Everybody says so. People call me all the time. They say, "Sir, how do I set up this incredible wallet?" Well, I'm going to show you. It's going to be the best setup you've ever seen, believe me. First thing, go to the official Phantom website. Only the best websites, not those fake ones. Click download for Chrome. And yes, it works on other browsers too. But Chrome is winning so big, it's unbelievable. The Chrome Web Store, millions of users. More than some cable news networks, folks. You click add to Chrome, then add extension. Boom! Faster than any election count you've ever seen. Now, if you already have a wallet, you can use it, sure. But we're making a brand new one, like starting a new business. And I know a thing or two about that. Click Create a New Wallet. It'll ask for a password. Make it strong, stronger than my handshake with world leaders. But remember, this password is just for this browser. If you move to another computer, maybe a big, beautiful laptop at Mar-a-Lago, you'll need something even more powerful. That's the secret recovery phrase. 12 words, the best words. If you lose it, you lose everything. And if someone else gets it, believe me, they'll drain your crypto faster than a politician drains taxpayers. Don't let that happen. Write it down, hide it somewhere even the FBI can't find. Kidding, maybe. Once you save it, check the little box. I saved my secret recovery phrase, and hit continue. You're done. It's like finishing a giant real estate deal. Tremendous feeling. Pin Phantom to your browser so you can see it all the time. When you open it, you'll have 4 wallets right away. Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Sui. 4 networks, folks. We love winners. Phantom is famous for Solana, but it works everywhere. Total flexibility. Some people say almost as flexible as my schedule on the golf course. Inside, you'll see your tokens, your collectibles, beautiful NFTs, maybe pictures of me. Who knows? There's even a built-in swap. You can trade Solana for USDC, like making deals on the art of the swap. Click the clock icon to see your activity. Your previous transactions will be here. Need to add funds? Copy your address for Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Sui and deposit. Or buy directly with a credit card. 10 Solana, 20 Solanas. You can do it instantly, faster than the fake news can spin a headline. And that's it. Phantom Wallet. Secure, classy, absolutely tremendous. The best way to start in crypto. People will say, "How did you get so smart about blockchain?" And you'll say, "I learned it from the best, me." And folks, if you want to learn even more about crypto, about making money online, big money, the best money, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like, because I worked very hard on this, probably harder than anyone else. Drop your questions in the comments. I read them. I really do. Let's make your portfolio great again. Make America great again.